This is so stunning, guys. Wow. Hello there. Elly Awesome here, and today I'm unboxing the Apple Watch Series 7 41mm in Starlight. Welcome to the channel. I have a couple of different watch bands I'll be unboxing. Today I'll be pairing this watch with this new band. It's called the Maze, I think. Maze? These babies I'll probably test on TikTok, so subscribe, follow, yeah. All right, let's do the thing. I just love the presentation of this packaging. It's honestly amazing. This shit wakes me up in the morning, yes. Ooh. I've got that embossed watch face here. It also comes with this sporty watch band. It's a nice color. Time for the peels. Documentation-ish. Charger, just the cable. Apple Watch to USB-C. And of course, the Apple Watch itself. Ooh, it's so little and cute. Oh, that is so nice. It was confirmed by Apple that Starlight is in fact a silvery gold or a goldy silver. On the iPad mini, I could not tell. To be honest, actually, I was pretty sure that there was some gold in there, but I thought I was going crazy because someone else told me that Starlight was just silver renamed. Nuh-uh, it's not. And you can clearly see that with this watch. Wow, I love it. All right, let's open this included band first. I forgot to do that on my Apple Watch 45mm unboxing, the midnight color. I just opened the new fancy band, not the one that came with it. What? I don't know what I was thinking. This is so stunning, guys. Wow. I love it. Time to unbox the new watch band as well. Ooh, the pink on this is fresh. Let's get this baby installed. It's adorable. It feels beachy. Like I'm just going out to vibe at the beach, you know, gonna have the best day. It's interesting. I really thought that I would like this new band over the included sport band, but I think this like beige kind of color looks the best. This is stunning. Anyway, we're just keeping things quick today. I want to know what you want to know about the Apple Watch Series 7, what you want to see. Let me know in the comments below so I can put that out for you into the world on my YouTube channel, TikTok, and Instagram, and all that awesomeness. Follow me on everything, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you guys next time. Bye.